Okay, this is crazy. I had to test this website, the one that you are seeing on the screen. I started with an empty folder and I gave AI only one prompt, and it did the following. It produced all of this, as you can see on the screen. It produced the manual, it produced the test cases, the walkthrough and recordings, and the bug base to show everything, the problems. And finally, it produced automated tests. I'll provide all of this for free on ramaken.gumroad.com so that you can test it on your end. Now, let us look at the results and see what it produced. All right, so let us jump. So this is the manual. This is the manual. This is the manual. So it went through this site. It went through this site and it produced this manual, as you can see over here, just one touch. So it says what the site is about, the functionality. Let us look at the prompt. This is the prompt that it used for the discovery and producing the manual, as you can see over there. As simple as that. Let us go to the second one, the walkthrough. It walked through the whole site and then it produced walkthroughs. All right, so you can see over here, this is a walkthrough. Let's look at the recordings. Let me command it. These are the recordings. So you can see over here, it logged in, checked the login. This is the final walkthrough. So it records everything. It records all this with one prompt provided at ramaken.gumroad.com prompt box. All right, okay. So this is the walkthrough, okay? Okay, so this is the walkthrough in text, and also it produced this. And it also produced the test cases to test the intricate steps that a user might take while going through the app. So you can see that's that over there. Another one, it has the bug base. So it went through the application and saw the problems that were there and it recorded them. So it says division by 0 plus, so the calculator was not functioning well. The security tab was not for login without model. Just some improvements. So it tells you what you need to improve. And lastly, it produced the JS code. So this is an automated test. So it produces an automated test. If we can go back to this one, you can see this is the prompt, this is the walkthrough, just the small prompt, the test cases. You can get this for free again. And then now this is the automated test. So the final result that it produced is the test. Now let us run it. Okay, let us run it so that we can see if this automated test can function. Functions very well. So I am over here. This is what it produced, as you can see on the screen. I'm just going to go to the terminal, new terminal. So this is what was produced by the prompt. Get it at ramaken.gumroad.com for free. The prompt that produced all of this. Now let us test the node, the automated test. Okay, let's see if it will work well. So I'm going just to give that command, as you can see on the screen, and let's see if it will go by itself. So I'm going to click enter. Bang. So it is starting automation, as you can see. It's visiting the site. It's doing that very quick. It was very quick. So on your end, it's very quick, very quick. Let's see the results. Where is the VS Code? So you can see over here, it went through everything. So it verified multiplication, division, error, and everything within. So it 3 tests passed, 3 failed. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So this is AI using Google's antigravity, and it tested everything. It did the discovery, produced these results, as you can see. Okay, thank you very much, and get everything at ramaken.gumroad.com for free so that you can test it on your end using Google's anti-gravity. All right, bye-bye.